Amex 9 India, hold Alpha 1, New 80 Bravo, no significant change.
Hold Alpha 1, Bravo on board, Amex 9 India.
Fraction 567 Bravo, hold Alpha 1, New 80 Bravo, no significant change.
Holding Alpha 1 and copy, 567 Bravo.
Amex 9 India via Alpha 1, line up and wait, runway 24, just waiting for release from radar.
Well, Alpha 1, line up and wait, runway 24, Alpha, correct 9 India.
Okay, line up checks.
Runway 24, left is clear.
Right is clear.
Conditions to defeat on NTIS radar. Later, yeah.
Later.
External lights?
Clear radar, we can switch it on now.
Okay, external lights.
Are on apart from the landing lights.
Spoilers are prepared to go. Cabin air.
Is on.
Transponder ATC 2 TRA above. Master question inhibited. Initiator panel.
Second.
Annotation panel.
Normal to green.
And takeoff clearance.
Not yet.
Open. Line-up checks completed.
Amex 91 India, runway 24. The surface wind is 210 degrees, 16 gusting, 23 knots. Clear for takeoff.
Clear takeoff runway 24, Alpha, Quebec, 9 India.
Clear for takeoff. Stabilized.
Airspeed lab, both sides, the door is armed.
Product 510, continue your taxi now to the north apron parking in front of the terminal building.
550 will continue.
Rotate. Where's the rate?
You're up. Now mod FLC.
Now mod 5 level change, yep.
Speed to 10.
Speed to 10.
Now go Foxtrot 205, request 10.
Bravo Golf Foxtrot 205, stand by. Break Amex 9 India. Contact Farnborough radar 134.355.
134.355, Amex 9 India.
Autopilot is on.
Oh, it's a bit late.
Yeah.
Radar 4, Amex 9 India, level 1 off 3000.
Amex 9 India, Farnborough radar, climb now to altitude 5,000 feet, level by AFLAP. Say again your parking altitude.
Descent 2900, climbing 5000, level by AFLAP, Amex 9 India.